Allow me to pat myself on the back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. So the market is in panic today. And a lot of people sold off shares in Chinese companies. Money Making Mitch was there feeding. I bought some more shares of Miniso as well, but I bought 100 more shares of our baby Neo. And Neo now just added another battery swap station, bringing the number to 2,561 stations. Yes, 2,561 swap stations, and I added 100 shares again today, bringing my total to 14,753 shares, and I will keep snacking. As the sheeps run in panic, I will be barbecuing them. So what has happened today? Well, a couple things happened. One, the EU rejected the first offer that the Chinese EV companies said they're going to sell at a $30,000, nothing less than $30,000 as a price minimum, and the EU rejected that. So that's actually good for us because we can sell our premium brands and wouldn't have to worry about that. But also, this article just came out on Yahoo Finance, and I wanted to bring it quickly to you guys. And I had to pat myself on the back for buying more when you hear what the article had to say. It says Neo stock, which was holding up well until yesterday since its jaw-dropping rally in September, reversed course this morning and plunged 10% within minutes of the market's opening. Shares of the Chinese EV maker were trading a little over 7% lower as of 11:30 p.m. today, Tuesday. There's nothing wrong with Neo. Chinese stocks were crashing all across the board today, and Neo was no exception, it says. It is, after all, one of the leading EV manufacturers in the nation. Imagine Yahoo Finance is saying that now. As an investor in Neo, though, you needn't fear today's drop in its stock price. You need not fear, and may, in fact, consider any drop in Neo an opportunity to buy. This is what Money Making Mitch did and a lot of my subscribers. Chinese stocks rise then fall. Last week, China's top economic planner, the National Development and Reform Commission, NDRC, held a press conference and announced stimulus measures to boost the economy, and everyone was like, oh my God, and they bought. The move caught many by surprise, and investors saw it as the perfect opportunity to lap up Chinese stocks, like myself and like you. Expectations soared ahead of the NDRC's event today. In anticipation, more details and a bigger stimulus package. They wanted more details. Investors' enthusiasm, however, fizzled out quickly this morning after NDRC divulged no details. Oh, there's no more details, so something must be wrong. So they sold, they poop in their pants, smelly poop, like Tesla, dog poop, cat poop, rat poop, and bat poop, guano. The Hang Seng Index plunged more than 9% on Tuesday, delivering its biggest intraday fall since 2008. What did you do? Money Making Mitch bought. Neo was among the several Chinese stocks that slumped. Why should you buy and hold Neo stock? Good question. But why should you keep buying more, I would add? The NDRC may not have announced much today, but that doesn't mean the government is backing out of its stimulus. It stated that it was fully confident, and I quote, it was fully confident of achieving its full-year growth target and plans to dole out 200 billion yuan, or nearly 28 billion US dollars, to the local governments and particularly support the property market. There are no quick fixes, but any stimulus to consumer spending should boost the manufacturing sector, including the auto industry. Neo, meanwhile, is already working on its own growth plans. Neo just reported record deliveries in its third quarter expect its vehicle margins to improve significantly to 15% by the end of 2024, has launched its first mass market brand Onvo, expect the L60 SUV to be a hot seller, which we already see, 30,000 plus locked in orders, and Onvo every year to target the mass market EV market. The EV stock remains a buy and hold in my book, the analyst says. So whilst a lot of them were panicking, I keep looking at what the company is doing, not the stock. And sadly, a lot of people don't do that. They don't understand that. I look at we're going into North Africa and the Middle East soon. We're entering the Middle East this month. No, sorry, next month. And we're going to be going into North Africa and building a factory in Egypt to circumvent the tariffs in Europe as well as America. How you like them apples? So I hope you guys found this video to be informational, inspirational, and motivational yet again on a Tuesday evening this time around. If so, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. That's all I ask. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so. Because in this channel, we have that warrior mindset where we're waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie as to how the game is played. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.